gonna be adding too many ingredients into slime. But today I have Aaron joining me and Michael! And things are gonna get a little weird.
Our first thing that we're adding into slime is a bunch of crazy fidget toys.
Like, check out these strips of bacon. That's so random. These are supposed to be really stretchy. Let's test out their stretchiness level. Whoa, okay, wait, they're actually like really stretchy. I'm sorry.
You just hit somebody.
We're sizzling some bacon. Next up, you guys know I love my frogs, but we have a frog butt. It's so squishy.
Who invented this?
Squishy frog goes right here.
You guys know fidget spinners and poppets, but this is something that I have never seen before.
Yeah, it like lights up.
Fidget spinner and a poppet, and it lights up.
That's like a triple threat right
This is
there.
like the coolest toy I've ever met. America's first ever fidget spinner slime. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Whoa.
I think Michael is really liking this so far.
Speaking of Michael, our sweet child. We all know Michael, but now get ready for
Michael Part 2.
Mike.
He's a contortionist.
We have a fortune cookie. It has a fortune inside of it?
Yeah. What does it say? Michael is a liar. What?
It does not say that.
Yeah, it does.
It does.
We're just messing with you guys. It's actually a really positive message. It says that laughter makes all things better.
That is literally our motto.
This one honestly is so weird because it makes some really weird noises. Check this out. Sounds like that sounds like a chicken or something. I'm gonna set this guy right here.
Small banana. You'd think, okay, cool. It's a little plastic banana.
It
But
has
no.
something in there. Oh, it's like little pearls. It's pearl dudes.
I think this one's really gross. I have a feeling that whoever made this toy has never seen a banana before.
It's a fidget worm.
This is actually really cool.
What is this guy?
This is my orb. This one is so cool. I wish I could just like stick my head in it and then like crunch it on my face, but I can't.
No, Aaron, don't do that. Let's stick it between the bacon bits.
We have an assortment of noodle-shaped rubber objects.
I actually love this one. This is my favorite shape of pasta right here. All the other pastas suck. This guy right here is out of control. Set him on the table, and you think that he's just chilling, but no.
Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! You think that this would be a fidget toy, but
I don't like that one. Okay, this last one is very strange. It's like two versions of milk. He'll be right here in the center. All right, now we gotta squish all of these fidgets together.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh no. It hurts.
Ooh, whoa.
Whoa.
Oh my god, look at those fidget spinners.
That is
looks
so
awesome.
cool. I like the way the bacon feels.
This is really satisfying. Mike, no, Mike. Well, the slime is fun to look at, but there's just too much going on. So let's move on to the next one. For this next one, we got a comment asking me to add too much Vaseline into slime. So we have a ton of Vaseline right here, and we're just gonna scoop it out and add it to our slime.
If you try this at home, wear gloves and make sure not to do it around carpet.
I'm already getting into it. Ready? Ow.
This is surprisingly not bad.
It's not really deactivating our slime either. It's kind of incorporating well. I'm grabbing the whole thing. Oh my god, I've always wanted to do this. Our hands are gonna be very soft for the rest of the year. Also, make sure to leave a comment letting me know what other weird ingredient I should add into slime. Scoop it, scoop it. Let's see if we can make a bubble. This is the most interesting slime ever.
This slime is a fantastic texture, but it's honestly a little bit too oily. I don't know if I like it. I think it's time to move on to the next one because my hands are getting greasy.
I'm really excited about this next one because we have Pokemon cards! Each of these boxes comes with 6 different packs, so we have about 1,000 Pokemon cards. I got this idea because one of you guys sent me a Pokemon card in some fan mail, and I thought, what would happen if we added Pokemon cards in slime? I'm obsessed with Pokemon cards, so trust me, it's definitely controversial.
But don't worry, you guys, we are not putting all of these cards into slime. Obviously, we're just picking out a couple of them to see what it'll look like, and the majority of these are going to be added into our Pokemon card collections.
We're gonna set all of the energies aside. We don't need those.
I got
some pretty good attacks.
Larry! Everybody drop everything! I got
Everybody give it up for Larry!
Larry is my favorite Pokemon card.
We're mostly going for the holos and the reverse holos and all the other common cards we're gonna throw into the slime. This one is a really rare card. My favorite thing whenever I'm bored is I buy a pack and I sit in my couch and just open just to feel something. You know, we have a ton of packs left over and I'm just gonna keep them. All right, let's get the slime out of the bowl and start mixing. Like when you give this slime a good stretch, you just see all of the cards. Oh my God, I think we just invented the first ever Pokemon slime.
Hopefully none of these were worth any large amounts of money. If they are, and you guys know about it, tell us in the comments so we can cry about it later.
Okay, I will say it doesn't have a good stretch. The cards are kind of overpowering the slime, but it does look really nice. Wait, Pokemon cards and slime probably shouldn't mix, so let's move on to our next slime. Next up, we're gonna be adding too many crayons into slime.
But first, we're gonna melt them down and then add them on top.
Let's go find our melting pot. I have no idea where the melting pot is.
Just to spite Anna, even though she's my best friend, I'm gonna go find the pot first.
It should be, oh, wait, I just found it. That was very fast. I found the pot.
What is that?
But it's missing the cord.
It's actually the wrong pot. There's another one that we're supposed to have.
Lies. This is the only pot we own.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! You
found it!
You guys, I found the cord.
Oh,
Yes!
Erin is running away from
Can you
me, but
please
she
open
needs
the door
help
for me?
with the door.
Thank you, Anna.
We have 360 crayons that we're gonna add into this pot.
We have two different methods for melting down these crayons to put them into our slime, because if we just stick them in like that, it's gonna be pretty boring. So we have our heat pot, where we're adding a couple of them, and then after that, we have dun dun
A
dun.
heat gun. First, let's melt some of our crayons.
Oh, you put so many in there. Would you like some crayons?
Would you like some crayons?
Would you like some crayon soup, my love?
We love to fill up our bellies with crayon soups for dinner.
Stop!
I told you it was getting weird.
It's time to test out the heat gun, because I feel
Wait,
like...
don't we have more crayons?
Wait, no, but we don't.
have
But
a
we're
pack of
But we're
crayons.
saving them for the heat gun.
Crayons. All right, we're gonna save some for the heat gun. All right, so we gotta wait for these to melt.
Is the pot even on, by the way?
Yeah,
Yeah, no, it's on. It's on.
for sure, dude.
Dude, come feel this heat.
It wasn't, but it is now.
See?
Okay, the pot was off, but it's back on.
We're gonna get it together. Let's try melting it directly over the slime.
Wow, we're making crayon art.
We are scientists.
Science. Why am I so shaky?
Wait, I have the best idea ever.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Well, look at it. It looks like
Whoa.
pretty tie-dye. Whoa.
I love the little wax bits.
We set something on fire, you guys.
It's because there's Crayola on the tip.
Yeah, that was my bad. Do not try this at home.
I want to grab this chunk right here.
That is so pretty. I
This
really
is
like
really
that.
pretty. It's a nice speckly Crayola slime.
Now we just need for the rest of these crayons to melt in the pot, and then we're gonna douse this clear slime in a bunch of melted crayons.
So we let the crayons melt for a bit, and now we're gonna pour it on our slime.
We take it out of the bowl. Okay, are you guys ready? This is gonna be cool.
Open it up.
Oh. Whoa!
Whoa!
Whoa, it's working.
That's a lot of
Oh my
wax.
gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's already a lot of
no.
wax. So let's start covering it.
Oh no. Whoa. Whoa, this feels cool.
It looks like a giant chocolate bar.
I'm kind of disappointed that the color ended up being so brown, but we should have known that because we didn't pick out like all of the pretty crayons, but the texture feels really cool.
I also like seeing all the individual crayons in the middle of the slime.
Yeah, that looks cool. I think it's awesome.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay,
We did it.
We did it. Let's make another one.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
It worked.
Whoa.
Well, now we know that Crayolas and slime makes really good bubbles, but we all know that wax and slime doesn't incorporate well together.
This texture is honestly kind of a fail, but it was fun to make it.
Well, that's it for all of the ingredients that we added to our slime.
Make sure you guys comment down below more things that you want us to add into slime.
And get this video to 10,000 likes if you want to see more videos with us together.
Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next week.
Bye, guys.